nuts. I need a plan to get those two back together and out of my hair.
Squidward. A dinner party? I'd love to. Did you miss me?
Come on in. You look stunning.
I'd much rather dine with you than that lousy... Ah! Say, what gives? I'm not sitting near that maniac.
Me neither. This was a setup.
I thought you two were my best friends.
I am your best friend.
Well, how about some soda, guys?
Yes, please. Thanks, friend.
How about some for your best friend?
Thanks, best friend.
Can I have some now, buddy?
Wait, I need some more.
I still didn't get any.
There you go. More, please.
Squidward!
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 Hey, Squidward!
Squidward!
Squidward! Hey, Squidward!
Patrick, your glass is full.
Oh, yeah.
Squidward!
Hey, Squidward!
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 Hey, Squidward! Hey, Squidward! Squidward! Hey, Squidward! Squidward! Squidward!
Sorry, boys, I'm all out of pop. I'm gonna go get some more. Why don't you just stay here and chat?